In this video we discover from archives around Wales the kinds of challenges Welsh people faced in the past. In this 1947 report from Llangylennin Primary School, found in Conwy Archives, they discovered that it was customary to dispose of the refuse from the toilet by dumping it over the boundary wall in a nearby field, which was only 10 yards away from the entrance to the kitchen. Ycha fi! Imagine trying to enjoy your lunch with that aroma wafting through the air.
Ew.
Down in South Wales, Glamorgan Archives unearthed a real gem from 1831. A list of rules from Llandrut National School. Rule number 7 steals the spotlight. No child except the teachers is allowed to talk during school hours.
Shh.
Can you even imagine a classroom that quiet in this day and age? The daily challenges our Welsh ancestors tackled over the centuries might seem harsh to us today, but they were part of daily life back then. It's hard for many of us to imagine how they managed, and modern technology has us spoilt. Dive into your local archive service to unearth mind-boggling treasures and discover the types of challenges people lived through in the past to help make Wales the place it is today. Don't forget to like the video and let us know what you've discovered at your local archives in the comments.